Moving on, period is located in front of your x. It determines the distance of one full cycle. To solve for the period, take the formula which is 2 pi over b. In this case, our b is 4, evaluate it and simplify it. 2 pi over 4 which turns out to be pi over 2. Next, x scale determines your starting point on your graph. To find your x scale, take the period and divide it by 4 and if you solve it, the answer will end up pi over 8. Now that we have all the factors that we need, we can now graph our sine function. First, let's graph the amplitude. The amplitude is 2, draw a line across 2 y-axis and negative 2 y-axis. Now we know how far our graph will go. Next, let's determine the points of our x-axis. The value of the x-scale will be our first point, which is pi over 8. To determine the rest of the points, just keep adding pi over 8, until you reach the value of the period. After that, we may start graphing. Start from the intercept to minimum to intercept to maximum and repeat from the beginning. The reason why we went from intercept to minimum first, was because our equation is negative. Once you finish graphing the sine function, you may draw a line down the x-axis which will be the determinant of where the cosecant curve will be. And that's how you graph a cosecant function. I hope I was able to help you guys. One more thing. Remember, cosecant does not have an amplitude. Keep that in mind.
Thank you so much, I learned so much on how to graph the cosecant function.
I know, me too. Now Mr. Odie won't be disappointed of us. We will ace our finals.